Hi, I'd like to give you a quick tour of the Codio editor interface and give you a few tips that will help you complete exercises in this course. We'll cover how to find and open files, how to create files and folders, how to upload files, and how to submit your work. Here you can see an example activity I've set up in Codio. On the left side is the file tree where you can browse through folders to find and open files. You can also create files here. Just right-click on the folder in which you want to create the file. I'm using the top folder here. And choose New File. Then enter the name and extension of the file you want to create. Then click OK, and the file should appear on the left. We can also create new folders in the same way. Right-click on the folder in which you want to place the new folder, and choose New Folder. When you open a file, you should see it appear in the main panel here. Edit or add content to a file simply by typing it in the panel as you see fit. Much of what we do in web design will involve editing code files like this, but also previewing the results in the web browser. You can preview a file in a new tab here in Codio using this drop-down menu and by choosing Inside Codio. I prefer to have a little more real estate for my previews, so I like to choose New Browser tab. Now when I make changes here in Codio, they save automatically as I work, but if I want to see them in the Preview tab, I need to click Refresh or press Command R. Now, since we're working on a web-based platform here, if we have files on our computer that we want in our site, we'll need to upload them into Codio. We can just right-click in the desired folder and choose Upload. You can now browse your computer to find files, or just drag and drop them into this box. Last of all, when you're finished with your work on an exercise, you can simply close out of Codio. Your files should save automatically as you work. You do not need to mark the assignment as complete. Your professor will simply grade what they find in your Codio workspace here after the deadline has passed. Typically, if your professor has comments or feedback, they may be placed in this special file, comments.md. Now you know enough to get started on your first exercise in Codio and to start working on your course project. Good luck!